Hey everyone, welcome back to the Simple Dad YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to switch on bell notification on Instagram for your favorite Instagrammer. So whenever your favorite Instagrammer posts something on their wall or story, you will be the first one to be notified about it. This is really good if you want to stay up to date with a certain Instagram account, for example a product launch or the next IGTV upload by an Instagram you follow. So let's get started. Search for the Instagram account which you would like to receive bell notifications from and tap on their profile. At the top of the screen, press on the bell icon. Once you press the bell icon, you'll see a menu appear at the bottom. Toggle the switch to the on position for post, stories and IGTV option. If you have disabled push notification on your phone, then you need to enable this in your phone settings. Luckily, Instagram recognizes where it is in settings, so tap on turn on. Then tap on notifications. Allow notifications by toggling the switch to the right side. Then scroll down and tap on Instagram notification settings. Here scroll down and find post, stories and comments and tap on that. Here you can decide if you want to see notifications from everyone, that means people who are following and your followers, or just the people who you follow. Go back to the Instagram app and then enable all the types of notifications you want to receive. And there you go guys, that is how to enable the bell notifications on your Instagram from your favorite Instagrammer. Hope this has helped you out. If you have any questions, please do leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.